The Adjustments module in ExpensePlus lets you easily manage your accruals, deferrals, prepayments, creditors and debtors, as well as processing internal fund-to-fund transfers. Whether you are looking at money that you are owed, being your accounts receivable, or money that you owe, being your accounts payable, or money you have either received or paid in advance, deferred income or prepayments, ExpensePlus provides all the detail you need to see in a clear tabular format using terminology that is easy to understand whether you are a trained bookkeeper or a novice. The totals for accruals and deferrals are shown in real time, automatically updating your key reports such as the balance sheet or creditors and debtors. Some debtor records will be created automatically by the system, for example when an invoice is posted. In this situation, the room hire fee of £100 will appear and sit in the Adjustments module until income is allocated to the invoice during bank reconciliation. You may want to manually accrue for other sums, such as gift aid reclamations due at either month or year end. Again, you can add these easily in the Adjustments module, and then easily reverse them at a touch of a button when the corresponding income is received. The system will keep track of any outstanding adjustments requiring reversal. If you want to perform any recurring monthly accruals or deferments, you can easily copy adjustments from one month to another using the button on the right of the table. As well as accruals and deferrals, there are other adjustments you may wish to make. The option for category transfers allows you to move money between categories. This can be particularly useful when you wish to apportion part of an item of expenditure, for example choosing to cross-charge administration or hospitality costs from general expenditure to a particular category or project. Equally, you may be looking to set aside a recurring amount from your general income on a monthly basis to top up a specific fund, for example a building project fund. ExpensePlus safeguards you from transferring between expense and income categories. This is not permitted in the system, as this would result in inaccurate and inflated end-of-year figures. However, you can record negative expense transactions if required, allowing you to reduce your expense total without inflating your income. Finally, you can complete fund transfers within the Adjustments module, which is helpful when depositing money into a newly created fund, or when your trustees redesignate sums held in designated funds or restricted funds where consent from the Charity Commission is received. Do make sure that any fund transfers are approved and accurate, as these will show up in your end-of-year accounts, affecting your balance sheet and fund totals, but will not affect your income or expenditure totals. As always, you can get more help and support by clicking on this blue question mark icon here and looking at our help topics and frequently asked questions, or by clicking on this yellow button to send us a message. Thanks very much.